Well, hey guys, welcome aboard the Carnival Miracle. And what I got for you today is another room tour. And this is an obstructed view balcony, so let's check it out. Alright, so we'll start our tour right here inside the door. And of course, you've got your safety placard as always. And just something of note, I know for those of you that have sailed some of the newer ships, you're used to having that little slot right about here to put your room key in or whatever to keep the lights on. But on this particular class of ship, you don't have to do that. So it's just a regular light switch, and so you don't have to worry about putting a card in it to keep it going. All right, so moving into the cabin, right here to the left, you'll notice you have 1, 2, 3 stand-up closets, and of course 2 of them have hangers, so you can hang up your things. And this one here has shelves, so pretty useful, pretty good amount of storage. And then over here on the right side you have the restroom, and it's pretty typical restroom that you're gonna find. You got your shower with the shower gel, shampoo, adjustable head shower, and unfortunately this class ship, they have the shower curtains instead of the glass enclosures. And then as you can see, there's plenty of shelving space to put your things, plenty of towels, and that's pretty much all I could say about the bathroom. It's pretty typical. Then of course, moving into the cabin, I just want to point out the thermostat. And I will say that this room, it hasn't really been keeping all that cool. I mean, luckily we're going to Alaska, so it shouldn't be that big of a problem. But I don't know that I'd want to stay in this room going to the Caribbean. And it does have this little button here, and if you push it, it's supposed to put out like a boost of cold air, but I can't really tell. I've pressed that button several times and it doesn't seem to get any cooler at all. So, but just something that I wanted to point out. And of course over here back on the left you have your vanity area with your little desk. And the main thing to point out about this is that there are zero USB ports, and you only have one 120 volt outlet, and you only have one 220 volt outlet, and that's for the entire room. So for you, those of you folks that are power conscious, you may want to plan for that. Just bringing it to your attention. And of course, in the top drawer, you have your hair dryer. Down below, you've got a little stool slash seat for the desk here. And then over here, you have your cooler. And over here, have a smallish safe, probably big enough for wallet, passport, maybe a cell phone, and a very small flat screen TV. I'm not really sure what to tell you, what else I can tell you about that. And it doesn't have the on-demand movies like you see on some of the other ships, so just be aware of that. And back over here, you have your couch and table. The couch can be made into a bed, but you'll have to get with your room attendant for that. And the bed with the towel animal, of course I've got them pushed together, but as always, you can have those beds separated. So in case you're traveling with a friend or something like that. You let your you'll let them know ahead of time before you get here, but you can always talk to your room steward to have that worked out for you. And last but not least, we have the obstructed view balcony. And as you can see, it's a kind of a smaller balcony because of the fact that you've got the lifeboat there. And you can kind of see how that other cabin, it sits way out there. But I mean, it does still give you a pretty decent view. You can't see straight down, but that is what you can expect from this cabin. And I think that's gonna wrap it up. Oh, just to let you know, there's no power outlets or USBs on either side of the bed, so just wanted to reiterate that again with the power situation. But I think that is going to wrap it up, folks. I will say that this is a smaller balcony, just simply because of the obstruction, and you got those lifeboats there, but it's still it's plenty spacious for me, just by myself. I think even for a couple it would be pretty good. Don't know, if you've got kids, it might be pretty tight, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about anything I didn't cover. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up on the way out. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I appreciate anybody that watches, subscribes, likes, shares, comments. And I hope you're having a great day. Hope you're enjoying whatever it is you're doing. And I will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.